This is what it looks like when a gay man and a straight man go at it.
Start punching me.
No! No!
Fine, go at it.
Fight!
Ready?
Fight!
What? Hadouken! I'm one of those annoying people. Hadouken! 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 Come on, bitch! Oh God! I summoned Jesus to my side.
Adam summoned Jesus, you
I summoned Palminator. Oh God! Palminator! Critical hit. I told him if he didn't stop harassing me, I was going to call the cops on him. He's like, okay, bye.
Now what? Is Palminator unsummoned?
That's a ninja stars!
I dodged. You dodged. Thrust kick. Oh shit! He really would do it, dude. I see in your God. I see in your future a homo deducted dream. Oh! Cast fortune. Your lucky numbers are 15, 3, 21, and 46. Well, good. You know what? It's called 46.
This is what it looks like when a bunch of white people get together and the black girl's here to film it all. You got the straight white couple, the crazy gay man, and the beautiful white girl on the side. And you got the gay man fighting with the heterosexual.
And then
what they're doing is completely unsexual, but Nick really wishes he was a homosexual because it would be all... Okay, yeah.
no, I do.
It's like I'm making a little sitcom. You got the straight white couple and the crazy gay man with the beautiful white girl. You got the heterosexual fighting the gay man. And they're gonna fight forever and they're never ever gonna get some ass. They keep on fighting even that's how sick is. And Nick just can't stay balanced. No! Now the gay man's upset and the hetero struggles. And now the camera girl's running because the gay man's jealous because I can sing better than he. Scream real loud. Help me!
Help her out.
Jesus! Go kick his ass!
No.
There are things that there are lines that I can't cross here, okay?
Jesus.
He interrupted.
My phone is Mom too.
Okay, just feel us.
And I saw Mom, I was like, I'm not answering.
Nick, you might want to move.
It's okay, just feel us.
And that's our sitcom.
Man up!
There's a straight white couple and another one.
My butt. Thank you.
Kinda. And now everybody's gonna say bye. Bye.